Hello my loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101. Today I'm going to show you a really quick haul once again. I got some stickers from Mojo Jojo and I got some stickers from Planything. These were on sale and these were not, but I also got a few things from Amazon that I wanted to share with you. So I'm going to unpackage everything and I'll be right back and we'll go ahead and flip through everything. But I just don't want that noise on the camera. I'm back. I opened everything. So these scissors are the same as these. So I'm just going to show you all of them. These are like little, almost like sewing scissors. This is sticker paper and I wanted to see how good they are. And they're actually pretty good. So these would be good like on the go. If I ever needed to cut something, I thought that was pretty good. And then these are kind of fun because they open up into something like this. Oh my gosh. These are pretty amazing. I'm going to link all of this in my Amazon storefront for you guys. And I have these gold stork scissors, but I lost the smaller ones, so I ordered another pair. But this time, I ordered them in color because how fun. Look how iridescent these are. And then these are like blue and yellow, which I love this pattern because it reminds me of Greece. And look how sharp these are. These are very small and detailed scissors. So that's what I have as far as scissors go. Let me now show you the stickers. So I'm going to do Mojo Jojo first. These are the journaling boxes. These are the rainbow ones. So I'll flip through these really quick for you guys. So we have red, orange, yellow, green. So it's pretty much a rainbow. That's pretty cool. Purple, pink, and then a rainbow. And then you have bigger boxes and in the same colors, and then one rainbow. I love these bigger boxes for journaling. So these work really well for me. Then you have these sidebar boxes, which are also great. If you're making a list or even a gratitude list, these are fantastic. And if you guys watch me, you already know that I use my Mojo Jojo boxes like for everything. So I thought that was kind of fun. Look how beautiful these are. And then you get rainbow. And then that's it. So this is the rainbow journaling. There's 196. All of these are lined. What's nice about them, they're gray. They're not like the older books where they're much more black. Let me see if I can pull one. Okay, so this is the original rainbow and it has lined boxes. Look at the difference in how faint these are versus these. So I much prefer these. But yes, I use these quite a bit. So journaling boxes in rainbow and then journaling boxes in black. And I already showed you the nude ones. So I have all of them now. So you get quite a few of black ones. And these are dark. The lines are much, much darker than the other ones. So let me see if they're, yeah, compared to this, these are much, much darker. So not the biggest fan, but I do use these for work, for meetings and stuff. And I can deal with the lines for journaling in my journal. So I would prefer if they were much grayer or a little bit more delicate. Okay. So that's the black one. And then you get the same thing. These long sidebars, they're great for to-do lists. They're great for groceries. They're great for so many things. So this one has 206 boxes. Okay, now The Planything. I'm gonna put this in order of what I think it should be like. So seasonal, summer, summer. Okay. I'm gonna start with the summer houses since it's summer now officially, and we'll go from there. So these are Planything summer houses and trees. It's 632 stickers. It's 30 sticker sheets. Her sticker sheets are awesome, you guys. So this is on clear. Look, it's a little. Ooh, I almost sneezed. Okay, it's a little like water huts. They're so cute. So you get 2 pages of these. These are on clear. Look at these pool villas. Awesome. Little cabin houses. Adorable. And then you get palm trees, because who doesn't need few of those, right? And then you get her boxes and circles. And these are fantastic. They're always on such a quality paper. I'm always impressed with those. And then you get like a city summer thing with fun green trees and some purple trees. Same thing here, so you can build a city. Little park benches, so adorable. And then you have trees, so you can make a park. And 2 pages of those. And then, yep, boxes and circles on a super high-end quality paper that I absolutely love. And then we have mountain cabins. Look, the tree house. Some more mountain cabins. And then this color scheme in boxes. And then we have the tropical, like tiki bars and little huts and some more palm trees. And these look like they're pencil drawn, so little doodles. And then you get more boxes. So that's book 1. I did get, let's see, 5 books. They're quite thick, to be honest. So the package was quite large, and it, of course it comes from UK, so it takes a little bit. So anyway, this is winter. This is the seasonal, let's see, sorry. This is the seasonal vibes and 751 stickers, 30 sheets. So we start with winter. 2 pages of each. Again, sweaters. Look at all of this. So cute. Mittens, hats. Then we have 2024 New Year and Christmas. And boxes, which I love. Then we have spring, Easter. These images feel so different to me than from my previous Planything. I'm not sure what's different about them, but they just do. They feel more doodly than the previous ones, so maybe she changed her style. I'm not sure. Anyway, so park, spring, and then we go into summer. Yeah, these definitely feel more doodly than the previous ones. Interesting. Okay. Anyway, so then we have all of these and boxes. Let me know what you guys think about these, because like I said, to me they feel a little bit different. I don't know if anything changed, but I'm also not the biggest news follower, so I don't always get the scoop. So if you can fill me in, please do. And we have fall. These are lovely. Again, very doodly, right? And we have Halloween. And fall boxes. So this is called Seasonal Vibes. Next one is the Seasonal Houses and Trees in Amsterdam. 530 stickers, 30 sheets. That's different. Okay, so we have, is this fall? It's fall in Amsterdam. Kind of cool. I like this with the little dog. So cute. And then you get boxes. Then we have winter for sure. Look at the naked trees. And Christmas wreaths. Thank God for Christmas decorations because winter would be pretty blank. Look how cute though. Oh, look at this cityscape. So pretty. I can use this for Chicago. Definitely. And these little, yes. And then we have boxes for the winter, which is great. Then I think we're merging into spring, and look at all the purple trees and everything is starting to bloom. It is gorgeous. I really like this. So yeah, then we have spring, and then lastly we have bright and fun summer. Not sure what this is. Okay. But look how beautiful. Super cute. The only thing I wish is that she would reverse these. So if this one is this way, the other one would be the other. So I could connect them and make like a full image. That would be kind of cool. Okay. Then we have the boxes. And then we have some random buildings without any weather, which is great because then you can place those trees around them and pick the season for yourself. So that was seasonal houses and trees in Amsterdam. That's definitely a fun one. Then I'm going to go ahead and do this houses and trees part 2. So that was the first one. And then this is the second one. I think it's so fun. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. I might be using this ASAP. Look at the barns. Oh my gosh. And the trees. They're awesome. And the houses. I love this one. I'm very much like a cottage person. I love that one. I love the smaller ones. I feel like they're much more cozy. Okay, then we have all of these buildings, which are bigger, or apartments, which is also fun. Look at all of these trees. Look at this weeping willow. And then fall ones. And again, tropical. And look at the palm trees. And then Christmas. More Christmas village. That's going to be fun. Some Christmas trees. And we have some spring trees. And some fun kind of doodly houses that I love. And then we have regular houses and even a white picket fence. So adorable. So you have some fences, some houses. It's like mix and match, and some hedges. So cute. And then if you wanted to build a city of skyscrapers, you also have that option. Look at these. So adorable. I love it. These are so colorful. I really, there's something about them that makes me smile. And then you have some boxes with decorations in them. So you have buildings and trees. And then you have some blank ones. Let's see. And then some nude ones. And that's basically the whole book. So this is the Houses and Trees part 2. So far, this is probably my favorite book. Then we have this, which is the plain rainbow pastel boxes, which are kind of fun because look how much there is in here. So they're full color inside. So it's practically a rainbow, and they are very pastel-y, which I really like because those are usually the colors that I prefer to use. And then you have bigger boxes, same colors, and then you go into the pink hues, yellows and reds in circles. Interesting. Okay. And then you have the blues and greens and grays. And again, orange, purple, pink. And then we have big ones. So this is like a blush, a purple, and a pink. So you get 2 pages of each. And then we have hexagons. So if you are doing like a bee theme or a bee spread, this is kind of perfect. Look how cute. I really like this book too. I really like simple books, you guys. It brings me so much joy to be able to create spreads with very simple shapes. And obviously I love all of the beautiful stickers. So anyway, this is it. This is my whole purchase. So I have 5 of these books from the Planything, 2 books from Mojo Jojo Plans, and then a whole bunch of different scissors, which I know random, but kind of fun, right? Anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys had fun. Let me know what you think down below, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Bye!